Miter saws are the quintessential tools for precision cutting, a must-have for any serious craftsman. They are the go-to for effortlessly slicing through trim, lumber, a variety of other materials with remarkable accuracy and speed. However, the true potential of a miter saw is only unleashed when paired with an ideal stand. Using a miter saw without a proper stand can be a compromise, like placing a skilled artist in a subpar studio. The right miter saw stand elevates the experience, offering not just a sturdy base, but also enhancing the saw's precision and ease of use. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best miter saw stands, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best miter saw stands from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go over top 5 product reviews. Number 1. DEWALT miter saw stand with wheels. The DEWALT DWX726 miter saw stand secures the second spot on our list, bringing a blend of mobility and strength to the table. This stand is a true workhorse, constructed of steel and boasting a 300 pounds capacity. Tailor-made for professionals who frequently move between job sites. The pneumatic-assisted raising and lowering mechanism is a highlight, making setup and breakdown effortless and swift. The adjustable work supports, extending up to 8 feet, provide ample material support, a feature that greatly enhances cutting efficiency for larger projects. The stand's mounting rail is versatile, adapting seamlessly to nearly any miter saw, which underscores its commitment to universal compatibility. DEWALT's reputation for durable construction is evident in this stand's tubular steel build, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of heavy use. The 3-position pneumatic system not only aids in easy adjustment, but also contributes to its overall flexibility. Despite its sturdy build, the stand is surprisingly lightweight, making transportation and storage more manageable. The compact vertical storage option is a smart feature, maximizing workspace efficiency and ease of transport. The stand's one-time assembly is straightforward, minimizing downtime and allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Number 2. Evolution Power Tools EVOMS 1 miter saw stand. The Evolution Power Tools EVOMS 1 miter saw stand takes the 4th spot on our list, offering a blend of functionality and convenience. This stand is a perfect match not only for Evolution's range of miter saws, but also for most other brands, marking it as a highly versatile option. Its standout feature is the ease of setup and takedown, thanks to the folding legs and quick-release mounting brackets. These features make it not just user-friendly, but also a time-saver. Weighing just 34 pounds, it's remarkably lightweight, yet it doesn't compromise on strength. The ability to support workpieces up to 118 inches in length and a maximum weight of 330 pounds makes it suitable for a wide array of projects. One of the key strengths of the EVOMS 1 is its robust construction. The incorporation of quick-release brackets is another benefit, facilitating the fast removal of the miter saw, an aspect crucial for professionals who need to switch tools frequently. Despite its sturdy build, the stand's design allows for effortless storage and transportation, courtesy of its compact folding capability and support arms that slide into the stand. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with limited storage space or who need to transport their stand regularly. Number 3. Bosch Portable Gravity Rise Wheeled Miter Saw Stand. Claiming the 5th spot on our list is the Bosch Portable Gravity Rise Wheeled Miter Saw Stand, a true testament to Bosch's commitment to innovation and quality. This stand is a standout with its patented gravity rise system, which makes setup and breakdown exceptionally rapid and effortless, a feature that significantly elevates its user convenience. The stand's capacity to support up to 18 feet of material is unparalleled among portable units, making it an ideal choice for handling large-scale projects. Despite its considerable weight of 88 pounds, this stand is remarkably portable. The attinged pneumatic wheels facilitate easy transportation across diverse job site terrains, even with heavy miter saws attached. This mobility is a crucial factor for professionals who need to move their setup frequently. Stability is another forte of this stand thanks to its adjustable leveling feet, which ensures steady operation on uneven surfaces. The adjustable telescoping leveling leg is a thoughtful addition, allowing for further stabilization and adaptability in various working environments. The stand's robust steel construction underscores its durability, ensuring it can withstand the demands of rigorous job site use. Number 4. Wind Miter Saw Stand. The Wind Miter saw stand takes the 6th spot on our list, impressing with its universal design that fits nearly every miter saw in the market, including the full range of Wind Miter saws. The collapsible rolling stand, equipped with two 8-inch never-flat wheels, emphasizes ease of transportation and storage, making it an ideal choice for those with space constraints or who frequently move between work sites. The stand's capacity to extend support arms from 32 to 79 inches to accommodate boards up to 10.5 feet long is particularly noteworthy. This flexibility ensures it can handle a wide variety of project sizes. The Wind Miter saw stand is more than just a stand. A mobile workstation. With 3 onboard 15A 120V outlets, it provides ample power for saws and other tools, eliminating the need for additional extension cords. The quick-release brackets enhance the user experience by ensuring easy and secure mounting of the miter saw. The sturdy 1-to-1 half-inch diameter steel frame, capable of supporting over 330 pounds, is built for longevity and consistent performance. The powder-coated finish adds to its durability, preventing corrosion and wear. Additionally, the height-adjustable rollers, which also serve as work stops, are a boon for achieving consistent and even cuts. Wend's commitment to versatility is further evident in its universal design, ensuring compatibility with a broad range of miter saws. Number 5. Makita WSTO6 Compact Folding Miter Saw Stand. 7th. On our list is the Makita WSTO6 Compact Folding Miter Saw Stand, a model that exemplifies portability and convenience in the realm of miter saw stands. This stand is especially noteworthy for its compact and lightweight aluminum tubular design. Weighing a mere 33.7 pounds, this makes it one of the lightest stands in its class. Ideal for professionals who frequently move between job sites. The fact that it's battery-powered adds another layer of convenience, particularly in locations where access to power outlets might be limited. Makita's attention to detail shines in the WSTO6's design, which includes material support extensions that stretch up to 1.5 inches and support up to 500 pounds. This capability makes it suitable for handling a wide range of project sizes, from small to quite extensive. The tool-less adjustable miter saw bracket levers are a standout feature, simplifying the installation, adjustment, and removal of the saw. The aluminum feed roller and adjustable material stop are engineered for efficient, repetitive cuts, enhancing the stand's utility for projects requiring precision and speed. The folding legs, enabling easy transport and compact storage 45 to 1/4 when folded, are ideal for tradespeople who value both performance and space efficiency. This stand fits all currently available Makita miter saws, showcasing its versatility across different tools. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. If you're any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.